some tips before you start any type of hair loss treatment. What I would recommend, if you're going to see a specialist for your hair loss, whether you're a teenager or an adult or an older adult, is to take somebody with you. So if you're feeling comfortable enough to share this journey with, whether it's mum or dad, a sibling or a friend, because there's a lot to consider and you don't want to be making hasty decisions. Sometimes it's good to have someone with you that you know has your best interest at heart. And I'm not saying the specialists don't have your best interest at heart, but I think, you know, if you have someone with you, it's a great sounding board, because when you're finished with your consultation, you should be able to go away and have a talk with your friend or your mum or dad and say, you know, what do you think? Because if they think something is not going to be good for you, might be detrimental, might be too expensive, they're going to say that to you. Whereas if you're on your own, you're a little bit more vulnerable. So I would recommend, you know, if you're seeing a specialist, that genuinely is not about the money, it's about you. You know, they're not going to care if you walk away. They don't want you to sign up now and to start taking your medications now, you know. And I even recommend that maybe you consult with a couple of different specialists if you're not feeling comfortable with your first, or you want some more information, so that when you make a decision, you know, you've really researched it thoroughly. You've spoken to a couple of specialists, and definitely if you can take somebody with you, this will be to your benefit, and someone to bounce things off with. Also, when you're having hair transplants, often it's a great idea to, you know, take someone with you, see a couple of different specialists. If you're going overseas to have hair transplants, I would still recommend that you see somebody in your country of origin, whether it's Australia, Melbourne, Sydney, and get their opinion, get them to have a look. So when you're talking to them overseas, you've got another opinion, a second opinion, a local opinion as well, because often overseas they'll give you hair transplants, but they don't recommend medications. And if you're going to have hair transplants, medications are going to be a must for male pattern hair loss, to stop the rest of the hairs being attacked and losing the other hairs. You don't want to just be left with the hair transplants and the rest of the hairs go. So it's really crucial to, you know, consult, I feel, in your local city as well. And know, if you want to go overseas, they do a great job there too. But it's, you know, just getting the right specialist overseas if that's your plan. So my recommendation is research, take people with you for your consultations. And, you know, if you're a little bit, should I, shouldn't I, then don't. So, because you want to feel confident, yep, this is my plan, this is what I want to do. Because if you start medication and you're unsure, you're not going to be compliant. You will stop, and you'll start and you'll stop. We don't want you to do that. Think about it thoroughly, and good luck on your hair loss journey out there. Hope this helps you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you would like to make an appointment, please contact us at melbournetrichology.com.au.